Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am Prime Investors, back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check RYI ecosystem. Project related, all the links you will get in the video description so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from Prime Investors. So let's get started. RYI Unity is 100% owned by the community. The very first finance platform to provide deflationary frictionless yield aggregation in a permissionless DeFi ecosystem that combines staking and farming services. Here I am giving you the complete details in video, also giving you some important updates about the project. This project is very young, less than 60 days old. And most importantly, in some hours, their Unity DEX is going to live. Maybe by the time you watch this video their DEX is already goes live. Here you get two different token protocols with one mission in mind. RYI and RYI Platinum. Now let's check first about RYI. A frictionless yield aggregation token. RYI is a deflationary frictionless yield aggregation protocol. For every transaction there will be a 1% tax, which gets dispersed to the all RYI holders, for which no farming or staking is required. You just have to owning RYI token and you will receive directly to your wallet. By doing farming you will get dual rewards. First is of course the yield from RYI, and second is distribution reward. So this is how RYI token works. Now let's check about the RYI Platinum. Permissionless DeFi ecosystem. RYI Platinum is a cross-chain automated market maker connector that provides a decentralized liquidity tap for various tokens. The liquidity tap is the powerhouse of liquidity pools, deploying a dynamic algorithm that provides liquidity providers with fairer and more efficient incentives over time. RYI Platinum also developed and employed the DeFi trading aggregator. This function will allow each liquidity provider to participate and withdraw with one click. After comparing the asset prices and APY of several liquidity pools in different AMM platforms, it was observed that through the most optimized path to decrease the trading slippage and gas fee on chains, the complexity of frequently switching between platforms and comprehensive trading cost can also be reduced. So this is how RYI Platinum works. So basically, RYI Unity Finance will utilize both RYI protocol and RYIP protocol, which will maximize staking yield for the investors. You can use RYI protocol to stake and yield farm, and you will get RYIP back as rewards. And as I told here, you will get dual rewards. Staking rewards as well as their frictionless rewards. You will get rewards directly to your wallet, for that no extra gas fees or cost required. This is great. Regarding partners, token already listed on LA Token Exchange. As you already know, LA Token is one of the best exchange. Other than that, they have partnership with two best project, Nulls and Corelibri. Here on farming side, you getting 3 different pools with the maximum APY, up to plus 15,000%. You get 3 pools which are RYIP to ETH, which is having 50% pool, then RYI to ETH with 25% pool, and APY of 7,509%, and last is the RYIO Corelibri, with 25% pool and with 7,509% APY. As a reward you will get RYIP tokens. So if you want, you can do farming here, and earn massive rewards. So this is all about RYI ecosystem. Now let's check where you can buy this token. Token is already listed on Uniswap. And also it is already on LA Token. Regarding RYI, token price is around $0.0634, total liquidity is around 86,000. Now let's check for RYIP. Token price is around $3.72. Total liquidity is around $174,000. Other than that, as I told, it is also available on LA Token and you can see trading is going on. So if you want to buy this token you can easily buy it from Uniswap or LA Token. And now the most important update, as I told, their Unity DEX is going to live in some hours. Here you can check the interface of the DEX. The Unity DEX is a community DEX where you get paid to trade. Use RYI as a market pair, collect your frictionless yield directly to your wallet with 0 trading fees, over 30 tokens already listed. Community favorites and free listing for projects. So these are the main features you will get on the DEX. Awesome, right? Also, their Unity mobile social messaging app with P2P crypto transfer is coming. That's a great news. So definitely, if you want to buy the token, then buy it now. As the project will grow, token price will also grow rapidly, and you can make some decent profit. As you know guys, we only introduce reliable and trusted projects to you. Thousands of investors are watching us daily, and always makes good money from our videos. I recommend this project to everyone as I firmly believe this project will do awesome in coming days. So let's not waste any time. We'll post all the community and project related links to description, so go and check out. Till time, I am signing off for now. If you enjoyed video and found something interesting, then do like this video, also drop a comment to the comment section. Your valuable feedbacks are very important for us.